Malaria is caused by Plasmodium. Rickets is disease is caused by a deficiency of vitamin D. BCG vaccination is prevention against tuberculosis. The smallest organism which causes disease is virus. Pakistan is supposed to be free from disease smallpox. If distant objects appear blurred due to defective slide spectacles with lenses are used. Concave. Another name of this disease is also nearsightedness or short-sightedness, also known as myopia. Who invented telescope? Galileo. Wires used in carrying electric current were made up of copper. Human ear is divided into parts. Three parts. Image of an object is formed on of eye retina that is similar to the film of a camera. Uncharged particle in an atom is called neutron. The smallest planet of the solar system is Mercury, that is the nearest to the sun. The causes the sunburn and suntan. Ultraviolet light. The lightest gas is hydrogen. Bifocal lens was invented by Benjamin Franklin, who was an American. Is the best conductor of electricity silver. The causes maximum spoilage of our cereal crop fungi. A true fruit is derived from the of a flower ovary. Hydrophobia is a symptom of disease. Rabies. Uh, Blood cells are manufactured by of the body bone marrow. When the resultant of all forces acting upon a body is zero, the body is said to be in the state of equilibrium. Gamma rays are similar to X-ray. The phenomena of separation of ordinary light into its constituent colors is known as dispersion. If a body weight is 60 kg on surface of the earth, then the weight of the same body on the surface of the moon will be 100 kg. When a bullet penetrates into target, the kinetic energy of a bullet is converted into mechanical energy. Pressure cooker works on the principle that boiling point of a liquid with the increase of a pressure increases. Is the best conductor of electricity silver. Copper नहीं है, silver. Blood cells are manufactured by bone marrow. Smallest organism which causes the disease is smallest जो होता है वो वायरस है. The solar system has 8 planets. The science of study of old age is called gerontology. The instrument used for measuring the velocity, anemometer. The science which deals with the birds is called ornithology. The function of the thermostat in refrigerator is to maintain the temperature. Blotting paper absorb ink because the action of capillary. Mirage is an example of reflection of light. Quartz is chemically a silicate. Silicon dioxide SiO2. Chicken egg is composed of one cell. Visible light energy has the wavelength of 400 to 700 nanometer. Nanometer is equal to 10 की power minus 9. The particles with positive charge but having mass equal to that of electron is called positron. Gas in children's play balloon going upward is helium. Now helium is used instead of hydrogen because hydrogen is combustible. Standard pressure is 760 millimeter. Iron corrodes due to the formation of iron oxide. In 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 heat engine, heat energy is changed into mechanical energy. Frequency of audible sound in hertz is 20 to 20,000 hertz. Deficiency of vitamin B causes beriberi. Cheapest source of producing electricity is coal, natural gas, water. The smallest unit in the measurement of wavelength is angst- angstrom, that is 10 ki power minus 10. The chemical generally used in refrigerator is furon. The unit of ton to specify air conditioner is equal to 12,000 BTU per hour. BTU is British thermal unit. Unit of electricity, kilowatt hour, is the unit of power. Period of famous Muslim scientists is 7th to 13th century AD. Heat radiation travels at a speed equal to speed of light. Speed of light is 3 lakhs kilometer per second. pH of blood is 3.7 to 3.74, that is slightly alkaline. The One of the countries through which the equator passes is Kenya. Another question that is asked, that equator passes through how many countries? The answer is 13 countries. Purest form of the iron is wrought iron. Hypo is a solution of sodium thiosulfate that is used in photographic process. Cod liver oil contains vitamin D. This is a type of the fish liver obtained from the fish cod. Aorta is an organ of the circulatory system. Planet Mars has two moons, named are Phobos and Deimos, and the Mercury and Venus do not have any moon, and Earth has one moon. Bauxite is an ore of aluminium. Circular aperture, which appears as a dark spot in the eye, is called pupil. The most distant planet in the solar system is नेपटून. प्लूटो को जो है उसको निकाल दिया गया है, प्लैनेट उसको नहीं डिक्लेयर किया गया, बल्कि अब नेपटून जो है वो जो है मोस्ट डिस्टेंट प्लैनेट है. अल बैरूनी डाइड इन 1048 AD. He was born in 980 AD. Abu Ali Sina was born in Esfahana near Bukhara, Uzbekistan. The color has shortest wavelength. It is very important to know that the color having shortest wavelength is blue, while longest wavelength is in color red. Metal has highest electrical conductivity. Silver. Light travels fastest in vacuum. Our solar system has about satellite. Uh, the universe is expanding. The disease hemophilia is caused by the deficiency of vitamin K. Lack of blood clotting is a natural polymer. Protein cannot be nominated for the Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize is awarded in 6 fields, that are literature, economics, physics, chemistry, medicine, or physiology. Astronomy is not included, therefore they cannot be awarded Nobel Prize. Insulin is produced in the human body by the pancreas. Pancreas is the gland that is endocrine as well as exocrine. In an animal cell, protein is synthesized in the ribosomes. Chemically, fingernails are made up of protein that is known as keratin. Muscle stiffness is symptom caused by the disease tetanus. Animals which obtain their food from dead organisms are called scavengers. Is not affected by cooking. Ascorbic acid. Vitamin C. Rickets is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D. The number of chromosomes in protozoa 23. The fat in our body is digested by the enzyme lipase. The most abundant element in human body is oxygen, 65%. Plant cells manufacture their food due to the presence of chlorophyll. Mitochondria in a cell are the constituent of the cytoplasm. Mitosis is a type of cell division wherein number of chromosomes in the daughter cell is the same. Blood cells are type of three types. The causes sunburn and suntan, ultraviolet rays. Speed of the wind is measured by anemometer, connects the muscles with the bone, tendon, tissue. Polio is caused by the virus. The oldest planet in our the coldest planet in our solar system is Neptune. Is a vitamin. Citric acid, tartic acid, acetic acid, ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid is a vitamin. Vitamin C. An egg shell is composed of calcium carbonate with small quantity of protein. The most abundant element in the earth crust is oxygen. The main constituent of biogas is methane, CH4. The stalagmite are deposits of calcium carbonate. Gigantism is the result of hyperpituitarism, overproduction of growth hormone.